You asked, how to divide 12,000 by 70 using the long division method. 1 is too small. 12 is too small. Use 120. 120 divided by 70 equals 1. 1 times 70 equals 70. 120 minus 70 equals 50. Bring down 0, making 500. 500 divided by 70 equals 7. 7 times 70 equals 490. 500 minus 490 equals 10. Bring down 0, making 100. 100 divided by 70 equals 1. 1 times 70 equals 70. 100 minus 70 equals 30. The remainder is 30. The final result is 171 remainder 30.